This video will teach you how to line a clip. Lining your clips is very important because it improves the overall appearance and the quality of your bow. I'm going to show you how to line 3 of the top clips that are used in bows. And what you're going to need to do this is you're going to need a 3/8 inch coordinating color ribbon. You're going to need scissors, a heat sealing tool, a hot glue gun, and of course your clip. Okay, now we're going to cut our ribbon. I've already pre-cut this ribbon to 4.5 inches. 4.5 inches will work for your alligator clips and your double prong clips. So you can just know 4.5 inches, that will work. For the French Barrette clips, it's a little bit different because there's so many different sizes. So I'll show you, this one's already lined, but I'll show you how I go about doing the size for that. And you can memorize this, but this is pretty easy. I just take my ribbon, go right here, and then I go over. So I go like that, go over, go like that. So that's how much I need. Go ahead and give it a cut. And then make sure that you seal your ends. And now your ribbon is ready to be attached to your clip. So you're going to get your ribbon and we're going to put glue on the end of the ribbon. If you do little circles like this, it usually takes care of the little strings. Now get your clip and you're going to want the top part facing up. Open it up. Bring your ribbon inside. Make sure that it's straight. Bring it down. And then line your clip on the top just by smoothing it over. Now if you've got a little bit of a gap in the beginning, you can just open it up and tighten it up right there so it's smooth. And go ahead and put a little bit more glue on the clip right here. Put a little bit of glue on the inside of the clip. Bring your ribbon in and make sure that it's even. And then just put a little bit more glue on the end of your ribbon. Then fold it over. Just hold it there for just a little bit. And there you've got a perfectly lined clip ready to be attached to your bow. Attaching the ribbon to a French Barrette clip is very similar. I'll put a dab of glue on the end of the clip, bring the end of my ribbon and adhere it to the clip, and then bring your clip over and put hot glue all along the top of the clip. And then you're going to bring your ribbon down, smooth it over like that, and then you'll put a little bit more glue on the end of the ribbon, bring it down, and then just hold it there for just a little bit. Maybe hold on to both ends. And then your French Barrette clip is lined and ready to be attached to a bow.